Hello, my name is Juan. This is a video demonstration of the mobile app I built with React Native, which is a JavaScript framework for building native mobile apps. Like if you were using native components like camera, like microphone, GPS, and many other things that you can use. And I'm just gonna go over the the code that I wrote, and I'm also using Expo, which is basically something that's gonna help me see and develop this this app, because Expo has a tool that allows me to see the app, how I build the app in my phone, and I'm gonna record my phone too. And basically, here at the top, well, we have this structure. The structure is basically generated with Expo create app, and whenever you type in create expo app, you get all this here, and this is gonna help you build um, the app. So basically you just create a folder here called app, then you create index.js, and this is basically screen. This is the main screen from your app. I only made one screen, and here I'm just importing really important things from different libraries. For example, I'm importing React and use state from React, which is very important um, to work with the with the state of constants here. And yeah, this is what I'm doing here, which I'm gonna explain later. Here I'm importing React Native components like style sheet, button view, text, alert, image, switch, text input, touchable opacity, which is like a button, and scroll view, save area view, and this is actually from Expo, which is really interesting. Camera and camera type. If not, I will just call an API from the phone operative system, and that would just open up the camera. And since I'm using Expo, this is gonna be easier. Um, so I just installed this library Expo camera, and then I'm using this. Here, I have the whole um, method that this is gonna be the screen, and then I'm gonna return what I'm gonna display. And these are just the things here are just gonna be functions, constants, and values that are they're like variables, things that uh, have to be set before the view actually displays, which is this the rest. This is the view on the views. And here I have the styles, because you always have to style your app. And yeah, let's go over it. So here I'm just setting up the switch, because I have a switch in the app. Here I have text that can be changed, that the user can enter text. And here's permission for the camera. So if you use the app and you don't give permissions to the app, then your camera wouldn't work. And then it's if permissions um, are not granted or are granted, this is what happens. This is what displays, and this is just a function for a button that I have there. And here, so the big thing is going to be scroll view, which is going to be the whole screen. Then inside the scroll view, I have a save area view, because we have the notch and things in the screen of the device, which we don't want to um, overlap or things like that. Then I have view, and I have some views which are gonna show each component of React Native. And here, this is just paragraph and text, and this is the introduction. This is the button, and here I have the alert. So just the simple button is pressed, and here I have an image just taken from the web, and then I have an image component source, which is the URL from where the image is taken. Then I have a switch, which is what I told you before. And here I also have a on change text, which is yeah, it's basically you can change text, you can do text input. And here I have a view for a camera. Yeah, and here's the button for changing the camera type. And let's run this. In order to run this, we press this. No, we're gonna open the terminal. Okay, so I was trying to make this work. Something happened. But basically I needed to update. Um, yeah, I needed to update the dependency, which I did now. So let's try again. Yeah, Expo start. I write that, and I should start up the server. And I'm going to go here to my phone, be ready to scan the QR code, and here I just roll this, and this loads up the app, which as you see it works perfectly fine. And yeah, as I was going through, basically this is a button which focuses on alert. This is an image, this is switch interactive. This is for text input, this is for numeric input, and yep, this is the camera. So there's this button that I put here, this flips it, and this is my mobile app with React Native.